This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump Toyota Prius battery. Turn off all electronics and set the parking brake before beginning. Locate the 12V auxiliary battery or jump terminal under the hood and review the owner manual for your specific model. Position the booster vehicle or portable jump starter so cables reach without pulling. Keep clean contact points and be mindful of hybrid systems to avoid high voltage exposure. Begin by locating the correct jump points on your Prius, which may be the 12V battery or a designated underhood terminal. Remove any covers and clean the terminals to ensure good contact, using a wire brush if needed. Keep clamps from touching each other during the process and ensure cables are routed safely away from moving parts. Follow manufacturer guidance to protect the hybrid system and reduce the chance of damage. Attach the red positive clamp to the Prius positive terminal, then to the booster positive terminal, ensuring secure contact. Next, attach the black negative clamp to the booster negative terminal and then to an unpainted metal grounding point on the Prius away from the battery. After ensuring all connections are stable, start the booster or engage the portable jump unit and wait about a minute. Start the Prius, then remove cables in reverse order while monitoring for unusual sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.